Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today, another Ethereum tutorial, and that is how to speed up your transactions on Ethereum. This is a great tip, hack, whatever you want to call it, but this is really good to use when the network is very congested. So let's trade some YFV to ETH. So I'm going to go ahead and hit max, and this will work for any Ethereum transaction, but I'm just showing on Uniswap since Uniswap is all the rage nowadays. So I'm going to check my slippage, right, blah, 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 and then I'm going to hit swap. Now here is the trick. Most people think that when they want to get a transaction to go through quickly, they simply click on fast, which works. But if the network is really, really congested, here's the trick. Imagine that a lot of people are all doing transactions at the same time. And the way Ethereum works is all gas based. So what you do is you click on advanced. It uses the fast as the baseline. And then I'm going to bump it up. So I just bump up the GUI a couple. Now this is called the bump technique, basically. So what you're doing is not doing what everyone else is doing. And what everyone else is doing is just clicking on fast, and they think their transaction is going to go through fast. And as you can see, my transaction did go through, probably in about 25 seconds. So that is the tip, the hack for speeding up your transactions, and that is when the network is extremely congested. If you're already choosing fast, just bump it up a couple notches. It's really not going to make a ton of difference in the price, and this helps get your transaction ahead of everyone else because you're doing something else that others aren't. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out my full Ethereum tutorial playlist. Like, subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.